Okay, so now that the eyelashes are on, we just want to fix them up a little bit. So I'm using the same color that I use for eyeliner, that neutral kind of brown satin taupey shade. And I'm just going to go over the top of the eyelashes just so you don't see that eyelash line. And you cover up a little bit of the glue if that's kind of sticking out. Don't close your eyes, just look down. Perfect. You don't want to close your eyes because that changes the shape of your eyelid and it kind of scrunches your lashes, and that's how the glue pops. You just want to be very gentle. And so I'm just taking a little bit of this eyeliner and going on top of the lashes, just so it all looks blended. And these lashes look like they're as real as they can look. Open. And I'm just going to fix up on the bottom a little bit too. Look up for me. And at this point, if you wanted to take some mascara and put a little bit on the bottom lashes, you could do that as well. It just all depends on the look you want to go for. If you want it to be really natural or you want a little more drama. So now we're going to move on to the eyebrows. And for this look, again, very natural. I'm just going to take a little bit of a neutral brown powder, something that matches her eyebrows almost exactly. And her eyebrows are already shaped. They just need a little fill-in. So I'm just going to take an angle brush with the powder and just do a nice natural little fill-in. This is a look where you don't have to worry so much about the eyebrows being so dramatic or so arched, but you want them to look polished because they're a very important part of your face. Brushing a little bit of the color into them, just as a finishing touch to the eyes. And then I'm going to take a little comb and just comb right through, just to get out the excess powder and to shape them. And you should have your eyebrows groomed normally. And if you have nice bushy eyebrows, you probably don't even need to do too much fill-in. And perfect. I mean, look how polished that looks and unfinished, how unfinished this looks without having the eyebrows done.